Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you guys like making money, click the subscribe button. This community is for you. If you like this content, click the thumbs up button. You know, that's always good and it helps me out. This presentation is called Investing Outlook. So I'm going to give you what my outlook is when I invest. Some people are doom and gloomer, some people are more looking at the positives. So I'm gonna tell you what I look at and kind of my mindset. So this is called Investing Outlook. This was spawned off of some of the comments that I read where people are very worried about market crashes. So this is my outlook. I look for opportunities. I'm more of an optimistic outlook on my investments. When I see asymmetric bets, I get extremely excited. I focus more on the future market deficits in terms of market balance in the future, if there have market deficits out there, than I do at near-term problems. So I focus on value to society and I invest to this outlook. You know, I also tie in technical analysis where if the charts look good and they're breaking very large downtrend patterns, I have to be in it. I look at the opportunity. I don't focus on the negatives in the near term. So being scared of a crash. Markets climb a wall of worry. I don't focus on the bad short-term problems unless they are extremely bad. Markets have always bounced back. If they don't, you have a bigger problem with the economy. You cannot make life-changing investments without investing money. You just can't. You're going to have to find and invest money somewhere, whether it's in a business, your own business, or you're going to have to speculate somewhere at some point if you're going to grow your purchasing power and money. And I'm more scared of missing opportunities than I am experiencing a 30 to 40 market, a 30-40% market crash. I look at the opportunity and I say, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Maybe it's 2 times in a lifetime that you get to ride a bull market up like this in my lifetime that I have left. I am more scared of saying that this opportunity won't come for another 20 years or 25 years. I have to get in it now. So being too scared. If you're too scared to enter an investment in the market, then stocks are not for you. Even the safest investments in the world are going to fluctuate in price. Being in cash is also a choice. You know, sticking your head in the sand is not going to help you. And it's a dangerous one because when it comes to protecting value, cash is absolutely horrible. You're going to lose. So know that there are problems with wealth even if you don't invest. Cash 100% loses value in every outcome in history. So you can't be scared and just keep your money in cash because you're going to lose either way. And if you are risk averse, if you want to not have to worry about things, and you don't want to speculate, I would say precious metals is probably the safest bet given history. You got to get out of the dollar, and gold has less risk than cash or bonds. It's really the only investment that gets you out of the system and protects your wealth over time. And it's gone up over time. And in my opinion, it's a great time to purchase it because the value is good. So if you're worried about market crashes, even though gold may go down in a market crash, it goes down less than everything else. It protects you. So the conclusion here is being scared of market crashes will not allow you to make money. It's not going to allow you to increase your purchasing power. Cash is the worst spot to park wealth. This is an absolute. You will lose purchasing power over time. Focus on the opportunities, not the risks if the market conditions are good. That's my suggestion. And store more wealth in precious metals than other areas if you are risk averse. If you don't want to speculate, buying gold is speculation to a degree, but it also protects wealth. So if you're extremely worried about crashes, if you're extremely worried about the future of humanity, then I think precious metals is probably the safest bet. And it's the only bet that I can think of where you don't get decimated by money printing. The systems are built off of inflation. They only function off of a growing supply of money. They don't work under deflation. So I don't know how you can get a scenario where dollars or some currency goes up in value forever without the system ultimately failing. So it would be short-lived either way. You're going to want to transfer that money to something else. The three forms of wealth that have protected everybody is real estate, precious metals, and art, which is basically investing in human history. Those are the three things that protects and preserves wealth over long periods of time. So if you guys like this content, click the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.